Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer cryptocurrency from Uphold to your Arculus wallet, safely and efficiently. First, open your Arculus wallet and manage your assets. Make sure the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive is added and toggled on. This ensures that your wallet is ready to accept the incoming funds. Next, select the Receive option in Arculus. This will display your wallet address and a QR code. You'll need this information to transfer crypto from Uphold securely and accurately. Now, open Uphold and go to the Transact feature. Choose the crypto asset you want to send and select the option to send it to a wallet address. Make sure you select the correct network and asset for compatibility. Add a new wallet address in Uphold by pasting the Arculus receiving address. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any errors during the transfer. Before confirming the transaction, review any fees that may apply. This helps prevent unexpected costs. For added safety, it's a good idea to send a small test amount first. This verifies that everything is set up correctly and that the transfer will go through smoothly. Once the test is successful, you can complete the full transfer with confidence. And that's it. Transferring crypto from Uphold to Arculus is straightforward as long as you follow these steps carefully. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow crypto tips.